I'm not telling you again! You're making too much noise!
And here they come across center ice.
Huh? Did you hear me?
Hey, put that back. Whoa! Morning, officer. It's not my fault, your judgeship. She's a nutcase.
I tell you, it's him, Your Honor, with his pecking and...
Order in my court! This is the third time this month you two have been in for disturbing the peace and destroying city property. I'm ordering you both into therapy until you learn to get along.
What?
I am Dr. Von Brain. Welcome to my clinic.
Is this gonna take long, Doc? The hockey playoffs are on TV and...
Some of us want to hear what the good doctor has to say about how crazy you are!
Now, first, look at these cards. If you say, for instance, tree, good. Broccoli, maybe. Cow riding a bicycle, you're cuckoo.
Oh, I know! A woodpecker getting flushed down the john! A woodpecker flattened by a steamroller! A dinosaur eating a woodpecker! But I got a copy of these from my den.
You're nuts and you're going down, Meanie.
I must consult my medical journal, Mr. Woodpecker. I'll be back.
What are you up to, woodpecker?
Help, Doc! She's attacking me! Meanie! Stop! Help me, Doc!
What is the meaning of this, Mr. Woodpecker?
You had two doors. Who knew?
I also have two patients who need deep therapy. Secondly, we will have you do the art therapy. You are to create an artistic expression of how you feel. When you are done, ring the bell. I will look at your artwork and then fully understand what is going on inside your little brains.
Huh! It'd take a whole museum full of art to understand your brain, woodpecker. My true inner feelings are just straining to be let free.
Oh, what do you know? It's the inner me. I wondered where I left it.
Woodpecker!
Hey, don't hog the ride! Whee! Whoa!